Highs in the lower 50s. Sunday night, mostly cloudy. Lows in the lower 30s, partly cloudy. Partly cloudy. To Cincinnati. This is the National Weather Service Office in Wilmington, Ohio. Degrees and the relative humidity 49. The weather radio station WXJ 46 miles per Ohio. Public warning system and falling. And now weather situations, especially for receivers to be automatically at Lunken Airport Fair. Hazard. Tests of the signal and receivers performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service. Up in Columbus, severe weather. The test will be postponed to the next available. And quality receipt. Logan, Miami, Montgomery, Gravel, says the weather radio station KIH, 42 Covington, Kentucky, public warning system. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station WXJ, 46 Miami, Ohio. Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties in Ohio: Brown, Butler, Claremont, Clinton, Hamilton, Highland, and Warren. In Kentucky: Boone, Bracken, Campbell, Carroll, Gallatin, Grant, Kenton, Mason, Owen, Pendleton, and Robertson. And finally, in Indiana: Dearborn, Fayette, Franklin, Ohio, Ripley, Switzerland, and Union. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station KIH, 42 Covington, Kentucky. You are on the 11 a.m.